How do you adjust a fifth wheel hitch? If you are curious about how to adjust a fifth wheel hitch for safe towing, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the steps to make sure your setup is just right. Adjusting a fifth wheel hitch is essential for safe and stable towing, especially for trucks and 18-wheelers that haul heavy trailers. The goal is to achieve a level towing setup where the trailer is as horizontal as possible relative to the truck bed. This helps distribute weight properly, reduces sway, and improves handling. First, you need to determine the correct height for your hitch. Start by measuring the height of the trailer's kingpin from the ground. Next, measure the height of the truck bed from the ground. The hitch height should be set so that when connected, the trailer sits level or slightly nose down to compensate for sag under load. Now, let's adjust the hitch height. Most fifth wheel hitches have a height adjustment mechanism, often involving bolts or pins that allow the hitch plate to move up or down. Loosen the necessary bolts or pins to raise or lower the hitch plate. Make adjustments incrementally and retighten securely after each change. Sometimes, it helps to have a second person assist you since the hitch can be heavy and awkward to handle. If your trailer has an adjustable pin box, use that to your advantage. The pin box is the part of the trailer that connects to the hitch. Adjusting the pin box can help fine-tune the level of the trailer after you make hitch height adjustments. Next, check the bed clearance. You want to ensure there is sufficient clearance, usually around 7 inches, between the trailer's bottom and the truck bed to prevent contact during turns. If you find that clearance is insufficient, you may need to make further adjustments to the hitch height or pin box. Once you have made your adjustments, it is time to test the setup. Connect the trailer and check if it sits level. Take a short drive to test towing stability and make further tweaks if needed. For larger trucks and 18-wheelers, keep in mind that they often have heavier and more complex fifth wheel hitches. These may require professional tools or assistance for adjustment. Suspension differences, tire sizes, and truck bed depth can also affect hitch height settings. Remember, it is common to revisit hitch adjustments when changing trailers or after modifications to the truck or trailer. By following these steps, you can ensure that your fifth wheel hitch is adjusted correctly for safe and efficient towing.